a lot of support. Yeah, this is my first video. If you didn't know, well, this video is about, like, if you didn't know how to make an Ender portal, I will be teaching you how to do that. So what? Just hold up. I'm just need to go into here. I'm just going into my world. So yes, I will teach you the steps in 1 minute. Just need world. Okay, there. So what you need to do, the materials you need are the Eye of Ender and M portal frame. What you're gonna do, you're gonna place the M portal frames like this. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna place the Eyes of Ender in, but make sure the Eyes of Ender are facing in a line going up and down, or else it won't work. And just do it like this, all around, and boom. You're all set to go fight the Ender Dragon. Bye. So, yeah, bye. Oh, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.